It's been 7 years.
Yeah.
O sa tshware di-drugs. You've been clean.
Problem nearly thing, because of daily issues.
There's always a reason why people do things. Mara harisa di rikatsela e right. Because like you said earlier on, no le deseka ocean. This drug issue, it's a very sensitive issue and it's a spiritual issue.
Okrorwira te otse barging swikiri itse ka mo fridge. O tla nyaka na le ona she.
Yeah.
Tlhalwang. A ke dibe thile ba no. Criminal activities was not my stuff.
hustle.
Yeah, my hustle, because I use my hands to hustle. Negira di garden, wash cars, transfer the things about things that you cannot do. Na negidi.
Hello everybody and welcome to our podcast. My name is Lefenze Waramasha and of course I am your host. It is yet another week, another exciting week, and we are out here for another episode. Of course, we are still celebrating boys and men. We are still going ahead with awareness for mental health in men and in boys. And of course, we are here to say, guys, let's forge this community to make sure that men and boys understand that, guys, it's okay to cry. It's okay to come forward. There's a safe space. There is Lalisa Moyeni for you guys. And we are here once again this week where we'll be talking to you guys. Kyalebona Bagaitsu, I see your subscriptions, your comments, everything. Thank you so much. Thank you for your suggestions and for coming through and for communicating with us. And we sure do hope, because we really want to change the narrative. We really want to build, a new, a better future rather for young boys, for them to be able to come and say, your feelings are valid. We see you, we understand you, and that is exactly why we are here every single week. Having said that, guys, I also want to remind you that we have How Was Your Week? Now, How Was Your Week is our co-host who's talking to boys, or we can say young men, about issues of life, and they have an interaction one-on-one, and they go deeper, they talk even further. And I want to encourage you to please continue watching it and comment even further. Parents to, also comment, young boys to comment, to say how does this episode, or rather that particular episode, make them feel. So yeah, let's continue with this, guys. Please do check that out. It comes out every week as well, together with this podcast as well. So check it out. It's called How Was Your Week, hosted by our co-host. Talking about our co-host, co-founder, excuse me, she is in studio with us today, Dumisang Kosana, as well as Nkateko, who also goes by the name of AKA 50, whom we'll be talking to today. And today we want to dismantle, right, or dissect, the issues of drugs in our community. We want to talk further and more in detail about that. And to do so today, I'm joined by Dumisang Kosana, as well as Nkateko. Welcome, guys. Thank you so much for your time. Hello, how are you guys?
We're good, and you?
I'm well, thank you. I didn't get your surname, I'm sorry. Right, Chauke. Oh yes, you told me earlier on. Nkateko Chauke and Dumisang Kosana. How are you guys? Are you guys good?
And I'm well. I'm very good. I'm happy to be here.
You're happy to be
Yes.
here. Thank you for coming. I'm happy that you're here too. How are you, Nkateko? 50. We call him 50. Thank you so much. Let's dive into it, guys. But before that, 50. Like I was asking myself earlier on, where does this 50 come from? Or no, maybe when 50 cent.
No, resa dala mchini ko kasi. Sala bala butomo ngotse dala mchini and Roma or ke mo rekele cold drink. Ko Spars. Kanti nan romile ka 50 ranta fake. And then like if like reka mo la ntatola and tshwara letso.
The owner, what shop?
Eh, o rekile ka 50 ranta ya fake.
Yeah.
Somewhere from Mo and pizza 50-50.
La Comarela.
So la Comarela.
Requena 50.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, that's nice. All right, now we know how to 50 Tlakai, but your original name Ke Nkateko ga
Yeah,
Chauke.
Nkateko Donald Chauke.
Donna, I know you give number, even the middle name. Nkateko, tell us a little bit about yourself. You know, Naruwitz, I was just telling Austumisa when I first met you, Nerleko Kawash.
Yeah.
And I've always been so fond of you. But for people who don't know who 50 is, tell us about you. Let us in a little bit. Let's guy Biang, and how was your upbringing?
Okay. Yeah, na ke nna Nkateko Donald Chauke. Ke holetse ko Mamelodi, Mamelodi West. And then ke tsene sekolo ko Shirenda Primary School. And then after then Kaya Jafta. It was nice. Ke holile ke rata sports. Ne ke le dance ka Oceana.
Okay, you're an athlete, yeah.
Karate, ne ke le dance, and then ke tla ko family ya 6, raised by both parents. Yeah, 3 boys, 3 girls. And it's a godly family.
Okay,
Yeah, ba kerekeng ko Jarateng.
yeah.
Yeah.
Ke ka mokgwa wena o hodileng ka teng.
Yeah. Ke hodile, even though a ke rate kereke nako ena, but now light ya tlanyana.
La tlhaba lesedi lela.
yeah.
That is nice.
Yeah.
All right. So today we want to talk about, we want to dissect, like I said earlier on, drug abuse. And we know that you have been clean. We were just counting earlier on, 7 years now.
Yeah, it's 7 years.
It's been
clean.
7 years.
Yeah.
O sa tshware di-drugs. You've been clean. But before we get into that, I want to come to Austumisa to let us in a little bit on your psychology background. We know that you have that background. You've done community work on that as well. Let us in on your knowledge of drugs and what it is that you saw at the time when you were also doing your community work. And I know you do a lot of work also with young boys who openly speak to you, and I'm not expecting you to share that, what they've said particularly, but those commonalities that you're also seeing, what are those, and your understanding on drug abuse?
Okay. You know, I actually wanted, before we started, because this drug issue, it's a very sensitive issue and it's a spiritual issue. And I was thinking about it, and I didn't want to ask you guys what do you think about it, but I felt like I needed to pray first before we continue, because this is our safe space and this is how we do things at Dlalisa, because I know that people will be watching this, and I want this conversation to start the change that needs to start. But if we don't address things appropriately, then we miss it. If I come to the doctor and I say I've got a stomach ache, and I know Wuti, I've got a toothache, that's not going to help me. I need to say, hore, ke eng problem. Ebile o etse stomach ache le toothache, maybe I can't thusa. Ke re ke tshwere ke mala, kante ke tshwere ke STI. Ba ka se nthuse pele.
Far from the truth.
So, ha re addressa dilo ka nnete, re di lebella for what they are. Ke a di bona di medical jargons, but drug abuse ke moya. And moya o ha re ka so address pila, o tlo re tlhaka-tlhakantsha. So, ke kopa for nako e, I wanted to pray so that le ba ba tlo e bonang, go thome ho iragale the change
that needs to happen.
Dear Lord, we thank you for this time, and I know this is out of my comfort, and I've been battling with it. But we have children that are watching this at this moment, that are on the verge of making wrong decisions. We've got 50 here who came out of it. I pray that, God, that the right conversations need to start happening. You said in your word, we must not be anxious for anything, but we must ask. I'm anxious about this topic, and I'm asking you to help us to speak the truth, because the truth will set us free. I pray that you help everybody that will be listening to this, that needs to do the right decision, that needs to cut the wrong company, that even the mother who is in denial of seeing the sign, we thank you that you are going to help us to bring down this giant. In Jesus' name, amen. Yeah. So that's what it's my approach. Ne? that in everything, before we can even explain hore the psychological part, everything starts with a need. And one of the reasons why maybe I prayed is was because ke anxious a bit. So prayer has kind of calmed me down. And batho ba bantši ba ba thomang drug abuse, there was a need. And that need was not met the right way. And a spiral of wrong decisions emerged. So it started with a need, but the need was not met. Sometimes it's a need of being affirmed by an absent dad who's not there. I'm not saying that all issues are like that. Sometimes it's a need to belong. The only people that make me feel validated and make me seen ke ba ba berekisang di-drugs. And sometimes in my effort, hore, I'm part of us, I'm part of what you guys are doing. Ke be ke tsuba. So every outcome or a fruit, there's always a root attached to that fruit. So re ka di bolela tse tsotlhe mara taba ya nnete ke hore no go na le a need in this person's life, and that need was met in a wrong way. Ya ba motho a Thomas a berekisang di-substances a thoma a ira dilo tse di seng right, and we can give technological terms tsa hore where does a drug issue affect which part of the brain. But I wanted us to first start hore problem e thoma ha hore go na le tlhoko. There's a need, and when that need is not met appropriately, then a ripple of other things happens. Eba mathata.
All right. So then, can you relate 50 to what Austumisang is saying? Perhaps let's start where you started Gadi drugs. What was the issue with you?
Truly speaking, I get to thoma the drugs. Ke di thomile ka nna ka nako la rena re thoma di drugs ne se taba ya hore ne le bodese mara e tlhakantsha le tse ding, and then drugs bjanong ya o comforta go tsela tsa go high.
Okay.
O kgona go tshabela tsela tsa go high through the drugs.
So there were issues at home. There was a need. There were unresolved matters.
Yeah. Wa itse o hodisa ke batho ba baholo a e tshwanele wena o hodisa ngwana hao. Nna wa ka no ke kgona bolela le ena dilo tsotlhe. Rena bo rena ba bomme ba rena le batswadi ba re bontate ba rena ne ba sa khone ho re botsa dilo tse tsotlhe, ne ba sa be open ka dilo tsotlhe. And then ho sa kry di answer ka mo hae ke mo o di kra kae, because as men nka se ko monno mong ka re jo hape wa itse me bra me time o jola le mma go mo next door o isa seriti sa go fatshe o e bea ko wena o boelape antalo a nkutlwisisa. So and then how to be the drugs mola o tswa ko tsona. Yeah, the problem ne le teng ko jarateng because of daily issues.
That's why I'm saying there was a need. And wa mutlare a re thomile ele bodese. So bodese keng I want to be seen and popular. There was a need to be popular and be seen, and drugs started. So there's always a reason why people do things. Mara ha re sa di re ka tsela e right. Because like you said earlier on, no le dese ka ushiana. Why would they say you could have had a chance ya ho bontsha bodese ne ka ho shiana mara a resorted to drugs. So
I also had friends go more to fit and go topic in area. I wanted to fit in go group ya dichomitsaka because na dichomitsaka ne tsena le tsona sekolong they were ne ba tlhako di family tse sharp. I was the only one who tlango ko bitre ke kera 10 rand wa ntlhaloganya. So most of the time ne ke sa terekele nna di-drugs, and then I was the only one o a nang le room ko ntle. So
Mo ditlhoming tsa
yeah,
hao.
ne le
So ne le
escape nna ne ke tsuba ka room.
Okay.
Yeah, ne ke na le poso ya gore Majita a re teng ko nna nka re ira homework or and then ra tsena ra degree ya re ba monate.
Because now how and I'm starting to think. I'm starting to think of the jarata and the backyard and the things that, you know, tse ngwana ka o botsang tsona, particularly this is what we're actually doing, but it's not true. But what were you smoking? O thomile ka eng? What was that introduction?
Introduction. Na introduction aga ne le patch. Ne le patch because ne ke sa utlwane le kwai ne nkama. Ya ne tsuba patch bona ne re tsuba ka check re sa go fa ka check ke pampirela ya ba ke Telkom or ke telephone direct. Yeah, before tsena di raise la. Yeah, kra re bo file ntho nngwe kana. Yeah.
50. How long ago did you start smoking? How old were you?
I think I was 16.
Okay.
16 or 16, 14. Yeah.
So lutsuba ka check, yes?
Yeah, re tsuba ka check. Bona re tsubela le ko mabiteng. Gore re test fitlhe ko room because patch ne nka yona, and then before nyaope re bitsa orderless ai nkhi gore tsela tsa gore motho a leng kwa o e utlwa ai nkhi ka mko. So patch ne re ka re jumpisetsa ko ne re ya ko thabeng or re ya ko mabiteng. Fitlhe re ne re di reke re di tsube steke. Yeah.
And then how then do you explain the way o leng ka teng?
Matlha ready bona kitchen robbery ha jewa.
Kitchen robbery.
Yeah, kitchen robbery. Yeah, bona o kro ro ira te o tse ba re keng swikiri o tsentse ka mo fridge o tla nya kana le yona she.
Yeah.
Ntlhalwane a ke di bethile ba no.
And you're now feeling high.
Yeah, you are feeling high. Utlwa monate, and after mo o robala. And ha go robetse bya go tshwantse tsuwe o ye go sekolong ka osane. A o nya go tsuwa. Na go robala.
So this feeling that you have after smoking, what is it like? If you can just try to explain it, what's it like?
Yeah,
When
patch.
you're feeling high,
Yeah, patch.
whether pache or nyaupe, what is it like? How is it helping you? Because obviously, if you keep going back to it, there's this feeling that you enjoy about it.
I can explain, I don't know how to explain that feeling, but it's the differ.
Okay.
Patch le nyaupe. Yeah. Ya patch no re betha ka re tshe har sa itso re tshe ha e. So to nyaupe le patch the differ, and then ka nyaupe yona. Ne ira or obe or secret speed sa or no ba calm. Or ne go utlwa ngare ke go le hodimo gore ba bang kitseng ne bang kitse gore ne ke lekella le ka tlho e tsene ka marama ka mo. Yeah, go utlwa monate mo.
Can you tell me how you're feeling? Like, are you aware hore o mo kae? Wa te bona hore ho diragalang ka wena?
Yeah, ka te bona just gore like sala bona o nwele ka re keng ntho e ka o bona ngare lefatshe le jikile gore dilo tse o re utlwa ngare batho ba bolela ka slow motion but when o thoma e bjao but hence o ya ka mohare it's no longer that you are smoking to feed craving.
Okay.
The craving gore ko nya o peng ebile craving I think it's severe. Yeah, it's dangerous or o tsa so kra ba bang ba re ba tsela bomme bo kwa bona tšhelete pension. Yeah, I khotlhele.
So o tsene neng mo nyaopeng gae, because you did say hore o thomile o tsuba batch. Then when did you now?
Then I graduate. Yeah, ka thoma ke betha le kwa enyana, and then I got ke grade. Thoma ke tsena high school. Ke tsona tšhomi tsela tsaka. Patch just one of mo man ba re kisane deng ngwe ba re ke nyaupe. nna ke thoma it was that's why ke re ne le rich man's gift at the time than like no it's a hobo gift ke bo ba re ke mang Father Christmas.
So at the time it was expensive,
Yeah,
inaccessible, ne sa kry-ege fela.
and ne sa tsubi ke mang le mang because ne ba se no ka se afford patch ne le 10 rand yona ne le 70 rand. And you can imagine I been ka te putsisa le no hore ba ba tsubang no ba utlwa eng because sa re ka utlwa mong a re ba ira ka ngare ka 13 rand ona le ya 15 rand ona le ya 10 rand.
So o bona o ka re go bolediwa maaka mo ba tsuba ntho e one e ntle.
Ke ntho e one but go kry-a motho wa teng la tsubile ga sa ira tsela tse na ne re dira ga sa lekelela ka mokgola wantlhalwane rena nako la ne re tsuba ya nnete ya ne re tsuba ya nnete straight gore e ne dimpeta family and then bjanong ya ba strong he ke thoma bjanong setse a ke re ke a thoma tšhomi ya ka ra reka ka tsuba first day ka tsuba diampeta ai ke no re tshwana le patše sharp the next day a ke tsubi the next day ra tsuba until maybe ha 10 and then a thoma mathata ke mo ke thomileng bophelo ba ka ba change ka thoma e setse ke sa tsuba mala ka bela go lla di ka mara
And a se tlala.
a se tlala ebile dijo ne le a thoma ka ba le dijo di a ba enemy yaka ya mala dijo a di tsene ke se tsubi go bereka a ke bereke ke se tsubi o le ntse o tlisitse kolo ya gago gore ke tlo e tlhatswa ne ba itse le bo bake ke re mfe tšhelete
O patela pele.
ke ko bantu aka and then ke ona mo ke thomang go ba motho wa ntlhalwane ntho ela ya gola and then ka botsisa bracket ore jo gape ke thoma o fila ka mokgomong go iragalang ra oa o fila ka mokgola tshwanetse o tsube
Bracket le yena wa tsuba ka nako.
ya wa tsuba and then yena ke yena o re yena o tlhelela le tsona ntse a di betha rena re sa itse matala side ya a ka tsenelela ka tsuba until a fitlha stage se gore a ke sa kgona go te
Control.
ke ore setse tsene ke addictive from there bona o ya o ile.
At that point, where are you in terms of school, your life? What is happening?
Life bjanong ke thoma go lwa le ba ko jarateng ko sekolong ke banka ditlase matsatsi a mangake makoko hampotsa defensive le yona e le ya tsena ya ko jarateng gore pila root ko wena vatvati gore mpotse nnete mo and then nna le wena re tlo kgone go ba shapa ntlhalwane.
So no matter there was a back and forth between wena le Mama Zala or ka mo jarateng.
Yeah, first it was Komo Jarateng because at first I got to get me about Kesaba Utswitz. Yeah, the Konutuba Licho means a love never again. I got Coppola Omum Papa in Eliminating Jarago Moonlight. You can imagine. Go Napela at Suri. Yeah, Coscolo Napara, Cavela, Marukama de Secadi, the Hempeñan, the T-shirtanyana Zeta, the study la cost on Talwan. So, Nagana will know it's not demand our go because they get to back a room. Yeah.
Oh, so because we're not very posy,
It's very posy.
then they would buy it for you.
Yeah, Riakon Narutu. Yeah.
And then you were still saying, how was then this affecting you, Kam Jarate?
Kamujara then Benong Harry. Or Salamonat. And then until we are non Kirang, Kafila, a great Tenyak. And then Kaifila Laubid, and then Car I Sapala Salis, Kaya High, Kayon. Then it became worse. I got a job for retail park commonly as a garden. Kabarkamo, Katomaka Chastanyana,
You can afford yourself.
I can afford.
You can afford
now pay and then contract the affair, Kabuela. So we're not saying get payments. The show me say that I got accept a lot of school. So I have to hustle for myself. Yeah.
did you at some point get into criminal activities?
Criminal activities was not my stuff.
hustle.
Yeah, my hustle, because I use my hands to hustle. Ne gira di garden, wash cars, tlhatswa diteki tsa batho, things that you cannot do na ne ke dira. Yeah, hore mpya he ka kile mula ke nna fru ke tla bra Johnny o ira la ngona joponyana ya tsena mo, and then ke tsena ke fiele dilo tse wena o sa kgone go dira, ne
Yeah,
dira ke
yeah.
ke 50 wa ntlha.
And you didn't mind? No snuff lobe?
I did mine, but
Wow. Okay.
the craving, I mind yona ka nna ke. Now I mind, yeah, because sometimes ke irela a younger person than me. Wa ntlha why. Ba bang a re tlhokometseng ya o tshwana ke. O mong a bolele le wena pila a address pila. Ne di nna. O itse gore no o sa tpotsa ka re ka nako eo dilo tsela ne di pile up, ne di nna. Wa ntlha why.
And also the putsa ka re ke a tsuba a ku
Aku sometimes ne di bua boshu ke lla. And especially ka di bad weathers, a ona hustle, trust me. Well, no, that's why batho ba bantši ba latlhegelwa he o na le dipula motho lo bampile o hasela pila, yes, ya wa tlhatswa dikolo eng
Mara
mara ka
pula ha
letsatsi
e
leo
kane.
pula ya hana o tlhatswa kolo ya mang. And then a ona holiday ko Nyapo ne ke tsuba 365 and a quarter day.
Stumi, are you relating to what
But you see, as he's talking, ne, that's why I said it's a spirit. Itomile ele boss. I always say, or
Yeah, none any
Satan,
boss.
how
Yeah.
mu feel lift, because before
He'll
you know
take
it,
over.
what drive? Itomile ale in control, path, and I wanna like he's saying, or everything ra graduate. Ritomile ka pache, then pache ha isa ira mmereko ola. We need something stronger and harder than kinyaope. And ha netse a ira, because right now we are creatures of habits. You see the problem with drugs, ne? We've got neurotransmitters. Pila ntwe 59 nyaka, nanyaka a high feeling or a dopamine feeling.
Okay.
So a dopamine is like a neurotransmitter that naturally occurs in our bodies in the right way. Wait, dopamine we bona mongwane azama go bofa stlhako. And that's why sometimes we mustn't help kids. Story for another day. But just so that I make
The point,
the
yes.
point. When a child is trying to tie their shoe and you do it for them, you remove, like umiraho, you cut her high or his high. All of us are born with a natural surge. We want to high, like a high.
We want to get to that level. ya
Yes,
go
you
kgona.
know, maybe for a lack of a better word, like a climax.
Sure.
Everybody has their natural climax. Like, re lebala story re nyaka go bona mo se phika mo teng. So it's in us. So now, when a person wants that, ho na le batho ba bang ba na le a higher appetite for the surge. So that's why they would not be afraid to try certain things, because e mo fitlisa mo that high quicker, mo a batlang. Mara the problem with drugs, dirang fine, they give you that kick ya go fitlisa ko heaven eo a e bolelang, ne?
Yeah.
Mara the more you do it, they now hijack the natural way of doing that. You can get a surge by running,
Sure.
because it just means gore when you run, your body gets a lot of oxygen in your body, it goes to your brain. After that run,
Feels
Sharp,
so
yeah.
much
It feels
better.
good.
That high that you
yes.
wanted.
So people now, that's why sometimes another way eri run these days is social media. It's a crave. That's why I said everything starts with a need. So there's a need, Mara, you meet it in a wrong way.
The wrong way, yeah.
So some people, they must just run and not take drugs. Some people, they must just finish. Ugro salo weile merekore, things are piling up in your room. You have not completed that thing.
That
You did not
thing.
get that surge. So what happens? You go find it in another way. Like he said, itomile ke nyaka ho irang, ke nyaka ho ba des. He didn't
Ke
have
nyaka ho feta
he
in.
didn't have the means, but he had a room. And ebile, he's so industrious that he didn't have to steal to feed this thing, this bully. He did it with integrity. Ka ho e berekela.
And you know why you're saying that he's industrious? Can you imagine if he used bo industrious bo
In
a
another
tikirela zaka mo e leng hore it works and build himself something?
And that's why, because 50, he's an ambassador, yeah, Dlalisa. And my brother got him before Retlo Mona, like Kokawash, as he says. One of the things that I enjoyed seeing 50 do, I get even in one of the companies as motho a bereka ka ditente 50 una le matsogo.
Yes,
He's
like he said,
industrious. And 50 o khona hore like ka crunch time, whether 50 mmea go tenteng or o re 50 a ire dilo tse di needang soft skill or beauty, there's no way that this guy doesn't fit. Because he thinks on his feet. So now, the need ya go ba to be seen le gore ke nyaka go ba dese e sale ya overtaker ke di drugs. And the drugs di a mo pusha, di a mo driver, di a mo fitlisa mo di mo fitliseng mo teng. Mara the one thing that as he's talking and I'm saying hore, you know, the drugs, if we don't see them as spirits and like demonic spirits, we're gonna
You don't
miss
see
it.
them for what they are.
They are truly. Because how do you, a person or normally atsube something, hey fetsa no emo kokone mala. Hey fetsa ire hore the relationships, everything ever destroyed. If so seke just pilisi. It's not just pilisi. Kore havoko that thing a kosang. You can clearly see. And that's why when you don't know your enemy, who are you fighting?
Yeah, sure.
Because you can go to rehab a million times.
Sometimes, yeah.
Like, identify your enemy. Then once the enemy has been identified, have a strategy for the right enemy. Because flopo ke ona ntho eo. Like, rira dilo tse nkare, it's just, yes, there's a neurological aspect of it. We cannot deny that. But the core part of it, which we are spirit beings. This is why when I get into a room and I can sense whether batho feel like you pick up the energy.
Yeah.
Because we are spirit beings. So how come the energy that drugs bring, rona eo a re beng,
A re kgone ho e
a re kgone ho e pick up. And re nyaka we want to deal with it in inappropriate ways. We need to see it for the bully and the monster and the demon that it is, so that we can act wisely. Re kgone ho ira dilo tsa maleba, because yaanong re deala le problem. Nka se tlo re ke na le a hammer problem ka tlisa teaspoon. It's an inappropriate tool for the problem. So
ba bang ba batswadi o kry-a banong ba bana le tšhelete ba e covera ka gore ngwana ga ya mmerekong every time o šia ngwana le
Gore o mo fe ya ho
ya o tsuba gore a
Gore o
sa
tswetsa
senyetsa
pele se a
community
dirang.
or eng gore a sa ya o koloma ka koloi ya mang ba tla ntseela fatshe o mo šia le tšhelete a re ngwanaka a šia o tsuba kante the more a mo seng.
You know, as you were talking, Austumisang, I wanted to also come in to ask, what are the community tools in clinics, in different areas? Dlalisa is one of the programs. But when you were there back then, what were those tools that were offered? And also, then, like you're saying, if you're using an inappropriate tool for a situation, then obviously it's not going to work. What was it that you saw that you believe then now needs to start changing? Which I also believe you started to introduce ko Dlalisa.
waiting one thing, nali 50 salary is a family member go rehab. And because 50 has been in it and he knows, even we were talking about it as we were preparing, hore, kana ne ba e bitsang last kiss or king,
last kiss goodbye
last kiss goodbye.
This is when what happens.
ke banong he o tshwantse maybe o tloela o tshwantse o tsube it's a last kiss
Oh,
Before you go into rehab.
to rehab.
And o itse motho o sa nyakang ho ira di last kiss.
Hi, Gemi said.
Ntho e mpotsisang hore ke eng ntho e le irang. The first and foremost thing e important tshwantse gore motho o berekisang di-drugs a be gore o kgathetse. There's no amount le ba ka o isa ko the best rehab.
State of
There
the
is
art.
power when you decide. What's a decision making? Your will to do something is very important. And once a person has not reached that place, a hona ntho e le ka isira, fanele a selingeke. I feel it to a point of no ekes fall. More than he ansafuni. And abantu ile nkinga esinayo ukuthi people have not found themselves in that place. Aso seleke.
yeah so silly
Aso be enough. You won't do anything. The moment that decide, and ke journey e ke e boneng e leng different compared to that family member.
Others. Okay.
He said, yabona mamzone abakaqedi usazobuya. Yabona
He's
ushayela
still going to continue.
uzobuya futhi
A rehab.
e rehab because they are not tired of it. And I'm not saying Buti, you will have all the answers. But once you make that decision to say, you know what, can I have a problem? Can I have flopo? And I need help. I don't know because chances are there's a long journey ahead. Ho santsane ho na le di-withdrawal symptoms, ho na le other issues tse di tlo tswang, tse di o hopotsang phela. O hopole hore the more you were smoking, you were running away from the realities of
Yes.
whatever.
Now you have to
So
go and
now you have to
confront
confront those issues. Ne?
Yeah.
So now, when you say I have a problem, it doesn't mean that's it. It's the first step of 1,000
yeah
steps.
first thing you have to
Yeah.
accept
Yes.
into lezi ngeke ukhona ukuzichange and uvume izinto lezi uthi identify izinto lezi ungakhona
Ukwazi
ukuzichange
ukutshintsha, yeah.
and then
Take
lapho-
us through your journey, 50. When you, like Austumisang is saying, you were enough. Did you go to her? What were your steps to say, guys, ke kgopela le nthuse?
back there bengakamiti umamazala ne
Yeah.
isikhathi lesangisaspina ecarwash but ngikhumbula umagogo angitshela amagama amanye
Your mom.
yeah athi eish wazini sebengekho mnandi ekhaya izinto ezincane bezilahleka in yabo bengilwisa umama nabantwana bakhe bosester bami
siblings, yeah,
yabo athi wazi wena uzongibulala ngenhliziyo wazi ukuthi ilanga elinye uma ngifile ngizaba ngibulale uwe from lapho ne amagama lawo ahlala mangithi mangiloku ngibhizi always ngicabanga amagama lawo
Ayabuya.
eish mara umagogo loya mangashona mara ngiyozibona ngikuphi ahlala ngithi nezinto lezi ukuthi manginganayo yokubhema uthole umchamelo wami philo igcwele kakalikeledi
Nyembezi.
yeah because usatsuba unotswa dikeledi
Oh, so it's not that you were crying.
o tswa dikeledi dia wa sweta umtlhalwane and then entse ke tsamaya ko reka I ska bona base e ngwetse second chance and I said to myself I need that second chance because at first sale ka rehab ya ko Mosona Rivatera FF Fabian
Okay.
yeah first ke yona rehab center e sala ka ya ko yona ke ntse a month and 2 weeks nearly December towards December ona le ntho engwe ko rehab ba e bitsa SD
Okay.
which is ke self discharge
Oh.
yeah ka founela but before ba approve o founela ko high ka founela magoga mawe mina ngishap no re are serious ka re ka sharp ke 40
Was that the truth though?
ndeke se sharp ne ke nyaka go tswa ka mola because that rehab center is inside the prison.
And again, December, you are also within your fields. Unyoko ilo joiner men's.
Majitanga. Yeah, ka fitla ka nna ebile le matsatsi a mantši. 2 weeks was enough. Ga ke thoma kra zakanyana ke romo mo ke tshwara poso ke tsuela matala side. Mara motswadi wa ha ona motho a itseng ngwana ha e tshwana le mme. Mama ka ra wena ka re ne ke mmetha ka gore he ke fetsa tsuba ke nwe maybe dibiri tse pedi ara a se dibiri tse o tsubile ya ka ra nna ke palelwetse fele ka e le tsore bjanong ke thomile ka venda ke ka tshabela venda ka nnanyana.
Okay.
Yeah, and then ka bua and ntho that's why mama zala bolela re ena le satan o itse ka base ya go venda ke tlhago from Sibaza ke tsamaile sebaka blind ke le sharp ke itse ke thoma o tsena ka base ya city to city go Masakane. Satan a talk.
Wafila byanong.
Oh, Satan a
The
talk.
prince of
that
area.
place.
Yeah, wa itse ha iralang and e se bjao ke false alarm but ke Satan ka utlwa malala thoma a re
All the way from Venda.
ne ke le sharp
No le sharp.
bona ke le sharp ke plan ne bona ne ke plan dilo tse dintšhe ke ntse ke le mo tseleng gore bona ke savile nyana 300 eng go fitlha ke tepethele dibiri ke fitlhe ke ireng ke itse ke thoma ke tsena ka Masakane
A hona ntho e nngwe e o e nahanang.
first thing ka hostel ka dibeke tsaka ke pusha dibeke ka ra majita ke bui ka tsuba ka ya hae.
And it's into Makatsang. He didn't have to, because sometimes no, because I was nervous or I was going through something. He just entered another city
place.
and already. So if this thing is not a spirit, imlocate kanjani. And ukhumbule ukuthi ne, it's prevalent in certain places. Emakhaya, you are unlikely to get this. Because kuna something i-dominance yemimoya yalapha ekhaya i-different nala. I-Gauteng kunomoya okhona eGauteng. Whether botshwala or ama-drugs or promiscuity or there's always
A dominating
you know
spirit.
there's for the right word there's a prince, there's a ruler in every place. So as soon as you came into the city, you could be located just like that.
Yeah.
You can have the best intentions. That's why ngithi get the right tool for the problem.
It.
Because of doing it the way we've been doing it, this is a serious giant. And as izobulawa ubani, it's a small boy. Ayifuni silande ngobukhulu bayo. That's why when you say, I'm tired, that small voice
That's where
within
your power
you,
lies.
that's where your power lies. Like yes, sorry.
I-voice le izile ilanga leli ngeke ngikhohlwe wazi ukuthi usesibeka sangibuzisa question angisho ilanga lafika ngile ngawubhalisa lapha second chance angisho and then second chance bakunika like every Tuesday ama sessions and then before ngiye sessioning I have to smoke, trust me makuthi angibhemanga bengeke ngiye I have umzimba wami awu
Okay.
Awusebenzi.
So you're now dependent on this thing.
yeah cala umgogodlo inyawo angiyahlanza amathumbu so I have to smoke in order to get my
maintain.
freedom. No, to get my freedom angithi phela se ngidecidile ukuthi now yesithiwa angisanga umuntu yimi ngisitshela ukuthi now bona
So uyisiboshwa manje.
ngisiboshwa yeah ngathi manje semangikhathele man ngifuna ukuba umntwana kumama
That's the thing.
ngifuna ukuba ubhuti kabo kubazukulu bami na every time mangilala on a Monday blue bean imagine if you can think bese Sunday I have to make sure ukuthi Sunday ngisipana plan ukuthi ngikhona ukuba nemali yokuthenga on Tuesday ukuthi ngamesi ini
Monday.
isession.
Yes,
Oh,
second
the session on yes.
Yeah, I have to ukuthi ngibe nemali ngoba mangabe nemali ngeke ngikhona
Angeke uye.
and mangayi ngeke bangi-accepte e-rehab.
Okay.
Then ngaloku ngiya until kwaba ne-squatter camp sisidumile nyana bathi kusenkandla e-B3
Yeah.
bavula indawo leya. It was Monday. Ngibhizi ngisiza abanye ukuthwala amazenke inini bayakha ini nami ngadecide ukuthi manje ithi ngithathe igodo ngibeke igodo la ngithi kwami maybe ngisasithengisa ngizasithengisela angithi bakusikela
Yes.
kanti umamami uyeza ufunana nami anginafuna ngisho angithola athi ngilabana na wena mina ngilabela yena manje are kunekholo engenile. I think besasibhalisa ama-landline if I'm not wrong. Bengibhalise nge-landline yasendlini. Athi kunekholo engenile ngithi ikholo athi yabo kunabantu bafunile bathi base-Witport eBrakpan Rehabilitation Center bathi wena u-aplayile. Ngithi oh ya ngi-aplayile. Athi ongangitshelanga. Ngithi ngi-aplayile bathi sikhiphani. Athi bathi Wednesday uyahamba. Ngithi oh yeah sharp.
What day is that?
Monday.
Oh, Monday.
Yeah. Ngithi ngizobuya ithi ngizulenyana ngizobuya ngoba kumele ngenze ini iwasheni ukuthi ngikhona ukuhamba.
Okay.
Yeah. Ngoba namanje ngine problem yenyawo because of car wash and everything. Yabo. Angithi car wash amanzi. Uhlala ugcoke icathulo eziwani.
Okay.
Insila leya ihlala. Yabo. Yeah. And then kwafika Tuesday ngawasha into zami and then mama mangibiza enkateko ngoba uyahamba mntanami ube yikhawadi kimi ngathi ikhawadi ngani athi ube yikhawadi ngimi ngithi ngani athi nke ungitshele usahamba ama session wakho ukuthi sikhona ukuprepare
Uhambe now. Okay.
sikhona ukuprepare yabo
Okay.
ukuthi siprepare ini athi into zokuchange like mntanami in into ingcwalisile ukuthi ngichange ngamphendula wise words ne from mina we
According
wise
to the way wena no level
yeah ngamphendula ngathi mama ani edare fashion beauty or angikuyoboniwa mina ngiyo change impilo yami ngizabuya manje ngizaba sharp zona lezi sharp
O tla wa o di reka diaparo tse.
yeah ngizabuya ngizithenga and then Wednesday uyafika ngivuke ekuseni ngageza bona ngivuke before bona bonke ngageza ngaba sharp salinda la kuhamba wakhona I did smoke a kiss goodbye
That Wednesday morning.
yeah ekuseni ngivuke ekuseni kakhulu and ngilale ngithengile ngoba ekuseni ngesikhathi lesabe ngiyothola kuphi ngabhema ngiwani ngithi mara 50 ufunani empilweni awufuni ukuphila kufana nabanye bona abantu baphila kamnandi kanjani sengibheke laba ama-choose wami la aphila kahle mina ngiyohlula yini and then bangikhapha umagogo namesester saya lapha and then transport yafika.
Take us through how rehab was, because you've been there before, and the second time. And the second time, you are saying ukuthi bowuzimisele. You were ready to go there. What was rehab like? The withdrawals. What does it feel like? How was it? The whole experience in rehab.
Bezibuya sisters
Yeah.
I don't wanna lie. Ukuthi nomuntu lo aqala ama-drugs ukubhema kumnandi ukuthi aphume kubuhlungu.
So you can say.
That's the thing, I'm going to go back again.
Okay.
So now you have started a relationship with this spirit. And you are telling me, ukhumbule ukuthi
Ukuthi
spirits don't have bodies. They need a human body to live. They can't just roam around. They need a human body. So a human being, not dead people, human beings. Nanoma singambheka kanjani. As long as usambona unyawupesa lenga, that spirit is happy to stay there. You are alive. So the fact yokuthi yena bekasaphila lo moya labo khona. So ufuna ukungidivorce, J-Fat Guns.
Kanje
That
nje.
thing is going to fight. And it's gonna take your will to wanna get out of it. To say, I'm tired, I can't, and it's hard. Ukhumbule ukuthi phela manje akusese ngawe.
It's about us.
Yeah, so where must I go? Maybe if this spirit had to
We
have
are,
a
we are
conversation.
married.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are divorced.
I'm divorced. Aye.
And
Ushiyana abantwana
mina
abangaka.
Ngiyephi?
Yeah.
Ngiyephi? That's why even in the Bible, there's a verse that says ukuthi uma umuntu let's say uyaphuma lo moya ne wenyawupor wama-drugs,
Uyalo.
then the house is clean.
clean.
Now that spirit lesa siphumila ngithi mara singafuna ukuthatha ichance ukuthi ithi ngiyochecka ukuthi i-ex yami leya kuna something nyana lapha
Ithi ngisicile ngibe kahle
ibe
nyana
right.
ngidlula nyana.
And mayobuyela leya spirit ngale ne ayibuyeli yi-one ize namakhazini nomfowabo. That person uba worse than before. Why? Ama-relapse anjalo. Because although the house was clean, it was not kept clean. And this is why maybe not going ahead, ukuthi going back to the same environment is not going to help this person. Staying with the same friend is not going to help this person. They need a new environment to create new habits and create new paths. Because the environment there, just coming a city to city into Pretoria, that's
all it took.
it's all it took. So imagine I'm going back to the same environment, to the same people, and you want me to act differently. Akukhonakali. Umoya lo angeke uhambe. Uzofuna ukulwa. And that's why in medicine, psychology, and Christianity, and not in the sense of the religion, zihlangane zishadane. And this is why Idlalisa is about that. It's founded on Christian principles. And this is why abantwana abaningi ngiyababona nalabafana akukuthi asibabona ukuthi bayabhema benzani. Abanye ngiyabatshela ngithi ngiyakubona ukuthi uphethe indlela. Mara abona le ndlela oyiphethe le. Iye kufeni. Kunomunye, we've lost him. We don't only have happy endings. We've lost a boy, not through death, but the drugs got a hold of him. Iqale kancane kuyinsango, umama kangifonela I remember ngwana wira sole khupela lebula lendiyena. Angaka decided that boy. There's nothing the organization, there's nothing the mom will do until they make a decision. Yeah. And this is why 50 atini mamunga waring impahla.
It's not about
It's not about it. The need for change was stronger than anything, was far greater. So angakafiki with that crossroad ukuthi ukuchinja kubaluleke ukudlula anything. Nisazosebenza. The will to change.
Ukhuluma iqiniso. Ngikhumbula yena uMako wazange aya kuphi? Aya eAckermans. Angithengela iteki yenye benza ngathi boma 250. Yeah, ngachepa ngayo ngabangeke.
Whilst you were going.
Yeah, ngevetboard.
Yeah.
Longchain. Ngequantum. Yatolokiwa lapha ngamajita. Mara uyazi ngithi istora tshale kabu seche. Sangena. First uzofila mara mina ngithi bekuyi second time. Yeah, ngena nabo plus usejuza ngisho.
Okay.
Yeah, ngena nabo yeah, and then bayangena bonsecha. It's like more like cabanga bo imali yakho sekwenza uphilo ngathi uyisiboshwa. Beluhlubula impahla yakho bakuseche nasemuva ukuthi awungenisanga
You don't have anything on you.
ngiyangizwisisa sangena and then first 7 days isibhedlela
Ula ukuhlanzwa khona ama-withdrawals.
mawungangena uyi-social worker ungagcinanga bona and wazi ukuthi abanye abantu ba-arrogant ngikhumbula omunye bengene naye ahlanzela i-social worker and uyomenzani ngeke umshaya mara uyenze ngabomu.
Oh.
Yeah, bangazwani ne-social worker le yabo. And then 7 days le yabona bebuhlungu bona bengikhona ukuhlala ebusuku bengikhona ukuhlala boma 2 hours phakathi kwamanzi
Cold water.
Okushisa ukuthi bengiwa-change.
Okay.
Wazi injani into le? Noma ngilele ne, ngingathatha ingubo eziningi ngathi. Mangiceda ukuthi ngiswethe ngithi ngiye phansi ngilale ethayileni ngoba ngitshile ukuthi ngine-problem
Oh, yes, your bag.
my back. Yeah, ngilale ethayileni for maybe 15 minutes. After that ngizupanda ukunyene ngithatha ingubo lezi bona 7 days yonke bona uphila njalo. And then bakunika amapilisi okuflasha. Aflasha. And after 7 days leyo uyaphuma. Ujoyina amajita bakuyisa according to age.
Okay.
Age la abanye bale. Se lapha ilapho se uwe. Kuthi se uyafuna ukuyekela or njani na. Ngoba ngithi abanye bayajumpa nasibusuku. Kuyabhemiyo ngase-rehab. Uyabona iglobe iyabhemiyo. It has powder
The
ngaphakathi.
powder that's inside.
Yeah.
I've heard that before.
Yeah, mangaphakathi bayabhemiyo ipowder leya. Ne bathi ini phuzwane bathi Dettol. That's why mangabona kuyiwa e-rehab abafuni Dettol, abafuni izinto yana
Iyaphuzwa or khona
Iyaphuziwa.
khona indlela lebayishisa ngayo and then
Dettol. Dettol iyaphuziwa.
How?
Iyaphuziwa. And we phuza after mawubheme iglobe le. Yabona ne tea rooibos is the best.
So
Iyaflash.
what does it do? Does it help you?
To flash.
Gives you that?
After ubhema iglobe le or izolo akithi abayivumeli nezolo. Ekuseni kumele uthole omunye ane-Dettol or i-direct rooibos tea.
Okay.
Rooibos le ikhaphe 1 ungafaka ama-tea bag ayi-4 ibe strong uyiphuze.
It
Angithi-
flushes out
Yeah, iyaflash.
so that the social workers and everyone does not detect that
Yeah,
you've been
angithi
smoking.
omunye kuba ne-snitch vele konke nasemsebenzini wazi kuba nomunye fancy phela ngibone ubheki wayezolo amene akazi ukuthi maybe client amene nentombazana yabo uyoba nomunye uya ku-social worker kwayizolo omunye uphumile ebusuku ini bothi roll call banibize and then niyakuphi pipi dudes niyochamela bayithola vawo.
As I thought, I'm dropping.
Ibya neribitsa bya kwawo.
Oh, badutsa.
Ya batutsa ka moruto wa ntlhalwane e tshakashile ntwela o.
Yeah.
So uyabona mavulu amalokhara manje kufunwane nama Dettol rooibos my yabo sama doctor manje laphuzi ya flash then mawele ngoba manga angithi abanye bafirst abazali bathi ngiyokuthengela imoto ukuthi mawungaceda iprogram yakho yabona and then 6 weeks yami yaphela eVetport ngicede nge-9 zaka September 2018.
The way Bose Miselenga Kona, you still remember the day.
Bona ngeenkodlo. And then I came back nge-train. Umama mathi ufuna ukuza azongibona. Bathi usuke ekhaya uze le. So they decided ukuthi bayenzeni bangisendele imali nge-direct basenda imali through i-social worker. So imali leya siyibhalise e-tuck shop to buy ama-sweets ini ukhaleka ne-Jackson 5 lepa angithi mayise umzimba uyabuya ibanana munga yeah.
Did you have any cravings of food?
Yes, after maybe
No. Whilst you were
Before.
smoking.
bengidla ama-biscuit awasemakuleni yabo yeah.
And that's all you would have for
Yeah,
the day.
ama-ditsibatlala
Yeah.
amazimbanyana lawo
Yeah.
that's my meal. Amathumbu la ngithi ayakrempa awafuni izinto
So you
ezi-hard
don't-
like pap
okay.
or ini soft.
So after the 6 weeks now,
wena.
uthoma crave dijo,
Yeah,
dijo tse monate.
so mayise wazi kwezakalani ngalabo sisilabo ukuklina lapha ngaphakathi sengithoma ukulahlela ilihlo la
But
ngingasitholela
uyabona
umuntu
ukuthi that's why after that 6 weeks, you know, umoya loya awusekho. Umuntu seka right.
and there's church we will go to church.
So it means ukuthi that hostile takeover of those drugs is removed, and the
yeah.
person is back to their normal self. They crave, they wanna eat, they sleep better. Because now the order has changed. And yazi into u50 ayikhulumayo ne iyangithusa because ukhuluma about how people inside have ways of beating a system. Yabona manje sengiba worried nokuthi umntana ongezwa ukuthi oh kana rooibos wakhona yena wa flasha
Flasha. Dettol.
Dettol or things like that ne. But you can see ukuthi unokuhlakanipha mara it's used in a wrong
In the
way.
wrong way, yeah.
So you're telling me all these people that are in there, that are finding ways to beat the system so that they're not detectable. Why can't we use that smartness
And set yourself
and
up
use
for
it for
greatness.
other things? It doesn't mean ukuthi abahlakaniphana. And just thinking ukuthi u50 ukuhlakanipha kwakhe and what yena nabangani bakhe used to do in there. Imagine if u50 is put in the right environment with the right tools, what is he going to achieve? Because clearly we cannot stop ukuthi he's employed. We can't stop there. And I imagine ukuthi bengimtshela ngithi 50 when you are a giant slayer yenyawupe. So in order for us to reach other young men, you have to lead us. Because there are certain ways and things that I'm not wired to think. Number one, I'm a woman. Number two, I've never used drugs.
Yeah.
I've never faced his struggles. So I need to use him. And this is why he is an ambassador, Yedlalis. I use him to reach those guys that are unreachable. And this is why, I wonder if there's anything that I would want. Uguti, yes, there are consequences of his actions. Ne? Mara, the narrative can change and he can write a story as it different. He can have his happily ever after. Because he's not just umuntu ongasebenza ngezandla. U50 mawunaye ne, like he has an ability to make you see yourself in a good light. U50 unomoya wokwakha.
And that is why he also says he loves kids.
He
keeps going back to that.
Even when we were doing our feeding program, ne, the time he sends you feeding skin lapa C4. U50 and he would be responsible for making sure to all the kids baline up bathola ukudla kwabo ene ungamkwatisi ukudla kungashota for everyone, not for
the
kids, you know, because he's passionate about them. Imagine if U50, maybe outside Dlalisa, if he could have an establishment where he builds and he molds kids. U50 and we don't have amatishera njengalo, especially preschool. We don't have males bamatishera. I can imagine him in class.
Or even a male who's been through it.
Yes.
As a teacher who can quickly pick up on ngwana o ileng hore is potentially using drugs.
Using drugs. Because there's uyawazi ama-sign, uyazi namanga wakhona ifowethu yabo, because he's been there. But yabona umuntu ofana njengo50, if we just, he's a story and we see him on podcast, but the work doesn't go outside this walls, then we've missed it. And ngimtshelile ngathi mina naye fanele sisebenze, because there's no way that this spirit can keep bringing havoc. Yeah, now ukuthi yazi u15 fanele kube ambulance that goes and says there's another one. And thina we bring, because abanye abantu ne, as much as yes you need to make the decision, abanye abantu badinga ukuthi balandiwe where they are, so that the right change can happen. But it will not happen for others. Some of them, they die gulapo, because he was even telling us about Bluetooth. I was like, how do these things yini Bluetooth ukuthi stati gas lakho wena ngoba uhayi then siyakufakela, like who thinks like that? If you're not smart but you're using your smartness
In a wrong
in
way.
a wrong way. That's blood transfusion, but for the sake of a what? Of a drug.
Of a drug.
So you can see ukuthi ho na le mabjoko, batho ba tlhalefile, but they are using it in a wrong way. They are using it, and most of it stems like that. When I started in the beginning, that root. Yini lento ayikhanukago, ayishodago, ayifuna in these wrong ways. And I mean, I always say it's always linked to a dad, in the sense yokuthi ubaba ongavalidate abantwana bakhe ukhosa amahavoc. And this is why idlalisane, it's going to be a call out to fathers to be present. Ukuba khona kubaba asithi ngemali,
Asithi mali.
asithi pap health, i-presence yakho
Yakho, yeah,
shapes
means a lot,
a
yeah.
child's life. It stops so many things, because ubaba is the head of a family.
Sure.
Whether we like it or we don't, God has given him wisdom.
Ordained them in that.
They are ordained. And if we're not going to give them those positions now, occupy, we are going to still find ourselves in trouble. Other young men are angry, and in their anger towards their dad, they find themselves doing all these things.
Yeah.
So it's going to boil down to the head, which makes the decision. Once the head is sound, and ukhumbule ukuthi ne, our society is a reflection of different homes. Ukujabulela ukuthi mina abantwana bami ba right, abantwana bami bancane bazokhula bohlangana nomntana kabani,
And bophila nabobani.
yes. So if this thing thina singeke si-attack as a community,
Then
sisemathateni serious.
Sure, I feel episode 2 loading here, guys.
then ngabuye ekhaya from my journey there. Angithi bengiloko ngispara ngisachesela. Ngathi bengispare ngokuboma 1.2. My-sister bebangilahlelela bomebra na aneman angilahlelela aloko aletha bambani zanika u50 yabo ngiloko ngibhalisa mara ngidla i10 ranta 20 ranta ini for ukuthi mangibuya and then ngilanga leli ukuthi kumele ngibuye kusasa kwakhona namhlanje kusasa kumele ngibuye bathumela angithi bona bazi ukuthi ngiyasifa bathumela ngathi boma 300 ukuthi ngizala
Oh, yanapa ya
yatlatsa ya re boma 1.5 and then the day came through bona re thabile ke ebile nka re letsatsi le ke lona re celebratileng heritage day because it was
September, yes.
yeah and then aba monate ba direla something through aka jalo ko kitcheneng ne ke jaetswa ke itse ke tswa mola ka lebelela kwa ka lebelela and ne ke na le ba go kasi ba bang ba nna Atteridgeville ba bang ba nna
Le topana le ka lingo.
ba Pitori ba mamsa ke
Yeah.
wa ntlhalwane
Yeah.
ba bang vele ke ba ne ke tsuba le bona go hae
Oh.
o mongwe nna ne ke bereka le ena ko dire and then a ka namela taxi I needed two things
Two things.
yeah ke buile ka train
So training, it was a longer
Long
time.
ke ntse ke lebeletse batho ba tla mmerekong ba tla go berekela bana ba bona ka re nna wa ka ke tlo mmerekela ke tlo ba le ena na but higher power
Adume.
a dumela shem a fitlha bosman ba re gents a re eng Roberta Scave ba bang ba ra reng ko magosheng ke majita
Le sa fitla.
ya re sa fitlha re tshwere saka ka rene ka tšhentšha train ka namela train ya wa Teneboom ke nakola ba ha Tshwane ne o na le Pick n Pay fela a fitlha ka na fulwa mola mo tenleng yo ke thabile ke tshwere dibeke tsaka first thing ke tsene ko Pick n Pay ke rekile chocolate ka reka dingwe ra le tennis biscuit but because knowing my family e bjang ne ka reka bright pack ka reka dilonyana tse
And this is something you wouldn't do.
tšhelete la bonfetse ke yaka
Get out naturally. How no to
a o
the
bone
challenge.
nka se ire ka reka dilo tse ne di shorta ko jarateng ka namela teng before ke namela ka kry-a public phone ka founa ke fitlhile ko Denley abo ke khopela a o sa ka ntlhakanetse go khoneng and as far ka namela taxi ka B3 my sister ka tlhakana na go khoneng ka mo 5 plastic are ish ke nyako still ke sa nyako ke tla o kra go jarateng ka swa ka o reka sephatlo ne ke dumile nyana dilonyana tse monate ke tsuela kwa ya ka ene ka boa ka nna le magogo le family ya ka thoma ka nna ka se bolele hantle but ke thoma bolela le bona ke khopetse tshwarela for the trauma ke ba tsentshitseng go yona matlho a batho wa itse a re ratane it's ka line go kasi re ka se latane bo botlhe a se di neighbor tsotlhe le ditswang re a shemaki so ba bang ne ba thaba nakwela ke tsuba wa nthalwana amo because ke lose tele mmereko go Transnet
because of
nyaupe maybe no nke ke nna go ntlung ga go mahubo re kae because time a go ntlung na bereka Transnet me brana bereka Transnet so le nna ba ntsensa because Transnet a kare ke indoor mahira indoor le nna ka tsena
and you wouldn't necessarily say gore wena o tlhokile di opportunities
wa ke bile tsona bona ba nkisitse le go le ke namela taxi ba nkisa dikolong ba mfa tšhelete gore go ira di forklift e nngwe ke eja Codal First ke tsamaya ka train ke fitlhe ke tsube ko pele and then bano ka thoma bano ka phela until ke tlhangana le family bekisisa a re jo go spaneng ba tlonya ka ona le need ya batho shortage ya staff sa tsile re tlo tla re tlo wabo but I ka gore ne ke decide gore ke nyaka eng kana go ka boa ka continue ka car wash still lenze ke ne ke rothela go mceceshi but ne ke sa bere ko car wash ela ya go Blue Bean ne ke ira di house call and ne ba mpatela ne ke ira la batho ba ne ba fele ne ba nrata nakwela bonna
okay
ne ba le happy for a shingwana rena o buile o degree labo gore car wash ile 50 rand ba ne ba mpatela 100 rand gore ke khono di pick up at least eng ka bya di 100 rand tse 10 khono tarekela teki yabo and until ka mita ngwanyana ka morata ra ahisana
a re tshwarona mo like I said
Yeah.
I feel a part 2 is loading here because we want to hear more on how now you have a daughter, you know, you met a young lady and how that is going, but also on what you would also say to young boys. Like Dumisang was saying, Hore, you are that ambassador. It's important for you to be that ambulance, you know, to make sure hore o tsena ka ditrata tsa kasi. Dikhona tsela tse mense ba sa di tsing tse wena o di tsing hore mo ke sure re tlo ba kry-a ne re tlo kgona ba thusa, you know. So I'd love for us to come back and without hore re jage, continue with this conversation, you know, and also touch on parents, because at times I feel that not necessarily to say that they are enablers of, you know, children using drugs, mara hona le mo gongwe mo e leng gore o ka re batswadi yeah bana lo ira diphosene ba neng o ka re maybe ha ba
Le
ipone
bona ba na le need
ba na le
ya
need
go
e leng gore
approviwa ke bana ba bona mara ba berekisa spanere for mmereko wa
o
teaspoon.
morong.
So there's always a need. So le bona batswadi they need to be capacitated hore re bereka byang. Mme ngwana o kry gore let's say papa ha teng mme o compensate la for ntate la teng
A seng
o re
teng.
yes for everything. Mara mama, the truth is you can't be a dad and a mom at the same time. Mo
Le wena o
shota
imetse.
mo teng amohela. You cannot overcompensate because that man is not there. You are here, and that should be enough. So I wonder those are other things that will
Need to be
they
unpacked.
need to be unpacked, and they need people. The Bible says people perish because we lack knowledge. Once we have knowledge, we're gonna have the right tools. Then we're gonna use the appropriate tools for the right problems. But for now, we are still. Yeah, but we'll get there.
We will get there, guys. We will get there. Guys, thank you so much for your time. 50, thank you so much for your honesty and being vulnerable. This is what is needed. Majita bona hore you can have an honest conversation. And you know, this is where your truth and your power lies, in you speaking nnete ya gago. So thank you so much. Austumi, thank you so much for coming through. Le hore fatlolla. Like I said, I think there's going to be an invitation for episode 2. So please be ready, guys. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Honestly, please have a sit down as parents with your sons or your children. Extend this episode. If as a friend you've seen this, you know hore ka mo next door go na le situation so let's not shy away from, you know, helping each other. Like Dumisang was saying earlier on, but you know, you'll never know where life will throw you to, you know. So please share, tell a friend, that friend to tell another friend, and that friend to tell another friend that Lalisa Moyeni podcast is here, and we are intentional about the boy child. We are intentional about dissecting and unpacking the truth, you know, and exposing it so that we can all live. Until the next episode, have a great one, guys, and to God be the glory. Cheers.